I'm going to teach you how to make a six-sided snowflake. Six-sided snowflakes are, number one, more accurate because snowflakes actually have six sides, and two, they're easier to cut because you have more room to cut. So first, you're going to fold your paper hamburger style, and I'm going to crease it well. My fold in my paper is going to be facing towards me. I'm going to fold the paper this way. Notice how I did that. I took it, folded it this way. Okay. And then I'm going to open it back up. See how I now have a crease here? That's my middle of my paper. Here comes the hard part. So with the fold facing towards you, okay, the fold in the paper has to face towards you. You're going to take here and you're going to keep your point, but you're going to fold past the middle. See how the middle, oops, it's hard to show, the middle's right here, and my fold comes past the middle. Then I fold this over, and my point is going to come in the midline, and I'm going to try to get them as even as possible. And I do this a lot, so I typically get it about even to begin with. Alright, does that kind of make sense how I folded it? I fold it this, so I take it, fold it, and fold it, and they cover each other up. And I press that down. I'm not done yet. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to fold it in half. And so then I get this. I'm going to cut this top part off and then I can cut shapes into this lower part to get a six-sided snowflake. I'm going to show you one that I cut earlier. This is one that I folded that way and cut earlier. And so you can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. And that makes a six-sided snowflake.